There's been another shooting at Couch Boat City in Crystal Lake. 22 people lost their lives in a men's school. Suspect is now in custody, male, and is 22. I repeat, in the Boat City in Crystal Lake. School name is Peepop, Mucking State. It's a film in the Muckies. Happened June 15, 2023. In 2016, it was the same way. The couch was cleared off. All his toys, each boats were straight. 100 videos will be released 2025. A bunch of toys. We wanted to identify you. The school back in the corner. There's a shooter. Well suspect had 3 guns in his hand. This is getting really out of consumed.